What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. On today's quick vlog, I just want to speak about this bike that we're building for my wife. Let's cue in the intro. Alright, so this bike we've had in our garage just collecting dust for, I want to say 6 months now. I bought it for my wife. You know, originally I thought we were going to get into regular mountain biking, but ever since e-bikes took over our hobbies, everything is electrified. She won't really touch this bike that I bought her unless it was electrified. So if you're in this channel, if you're viewing this video, it's likely because you have an old bike frame that you really like and shared a lot of memories with, and you know, you're looking to electrify it, but the issue is you don't know where to put the battery. But the most important thing about electrifying your e-bike is really, your old bike frame is really placing the battery. And as you can see, this body, there's no place to put a battery. Original plan was going to be here for the battery, but you could see there's not enough space here for the suspensions to travel. So that was crossed out. And the only place really was to put one here. And this setup by Luna, this is the no drill kit. It is so stable. It's only $20 online. Definitely check that out on lunacycles.com. It's the no drill battery mount kit. I just put a tape here because there's excess wire here, and you don't want to get scuffed up. But this thing is so solid that I'm sure you could mount any battery with this kit. $20 again, plus shipping, and it was pretty fast. This is what I recommend. I've only tested it for 2-3 miles, but look how solid this is. I could literally lift the whole bike. I'm lifting the whole bike just based on the magnet. This Luna battery has a great magnet mount. If you have this set up, then that's perfect. But again, this will definitely hold any battery mount, and you could space it out to however much space you would like. Yeah, that's what I recommend. This is my wife's concept e-bike. Still working on a lot of things. It's not fully ready to go yet, but I'm really trying to make this fairing work because it looks awesome in my opinion. Everything's just zip tied and strapped. Trying to find a good light for it, but anyhow, this is my concept bike for my wife. I definitely wanted to build her one more in the collection, something for her height. This is a 15-inch frame. Out of all of our e-bikes, she could only ride maybe 2 or 3 of them. This is going to be the third one. She could only ride the RX. She could only ride her other blue mountain bike. And then now this one, at least I'm making it for her, right? For the wife. Happy wife, happy life, they say, right? And these mag rims was just online. I got a good sale on it on Walmart. It was like $86 at the time, so that's awesome. And these stickers, they peel off so easy, guys, which I'm eventually gonna do. Look how easy it peels off. I still need to put my rotors on. I only have the rear. She is a beaut, guys. Look how it looks. Look how clean it looks without the stickers. And what I always like to do is I just tape my my magnet sensor. Just buy a magnet or something to sense the sensor for the speed. But yeah, again, this is a concept e-bike. Stay tuned for more content. But this thing looks freaking amazing. Honestly, this thing looks better than my other e-bikes in my opinion. Anyhow, kindly like and subscribe for more content, guys. Check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your DIY kit. Use URL link, use code E-Bike Adventures. And if you're into hub drive motors, and like pavement e-bikes, check out the arielrider and the Super73. Those are my recommendations. All in the description below. Alright folks, thank you for watching this short video. Do yourself a favor, build your own bike. This is like my third, fourth DIY. I've seen many store shelf e-bikes, and if you look in the quality of the components, you soon realize that they're not worth it. So what I would do is just buy yourself a good quality component bike and just do it your own. Be your own technical support. And these bafang mid-drives are amazing. And in fact, this is even a BBS02, because sometimes we feel like the BBS HD is just too much power for us. And again, that's just dependent on your weight, your physical abilities, and your preference. But I love the BBS02s. They're like lightweight. I'm going to be dipping out. Again, thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next video. Peace.